Okay, guys, sorry for that. I just downloaded also a few stuff and it opens on my other screen, so we can register. Let's say Alocava and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't have any validation for this, so you will see how to add that later if you want. So we can add other stuff to the project. So let's choose file. It opens on my other screen, and let me see what I have here, because I have a ton of crap. It's not here. Just let me take a look at what I have. So this is going to be the avatar, what is going to be displayed in the dashboard as your avatar, of course. So I just need to find one. If I can find one, of course, I just downloaded one. Why the hell, or where the hell that is? Let's use this one. I like this one. So submit. Okay, never. I don't have any posts, but I should be able to go to my dashboard. You can see I have my image right now here. And since I moved that, so let's go to, I think it's in covers. No, these are the images that I had on my other folder. Okay, I should really just do this, keep that so I can use them to upload. And users, I think avatars, you can see I have these ones, okay? So, I'm an anime fan, so what the hell? I like to have this kind of stuff. I think it looks better. So instead of adding a random person stuff there, so you can see that this is working, and I should be able, or we should be able to add a post and show that there. So let's go to create new post and say first post, and this is the comeback. Choose file, and let's add. I have another one. Okay, this one looks really good. And let's create. Let's see if that goes. Okay, it didn't prompt anything, and this is returning the first post. This is the comeback. We are getting the cover URL, the cover name. Why I need this? Because maybe if you're building an API in a separate way, you will use this cover URL, okay, with your domain name and the folder and all that stuff, you know. So that's why I'm adding that. So let's go to home, and you can see we have this one. Let's click that one, and this one I just found that this is a really cool image. So Dragon Ball. So it shows my email, and in case another user adds a new post, let's consider this as a post, it's going to be added here as well, but it will show the email for that other user. And when we click this one, maybe this was a John Doe at hotmail.com, we would see the author because we're using the email, but we wouldn't be able to update or remove the post. Okay, so we have that in place, and there are still a few stuff that I might clean later, but I think we're good to go in order. I mean, so you can see my post. I can see my post. Okay, everything that is returning from my user, so I can see all this stuff, and each user will be able to see what each user has. Okay, so yeah, I expect, guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to record stuff during these days. I don't have too much work, but I got used to sleeping late, so I might or even record late at night, or record or try to fix my freaking schedule, my sleeping schedule, so I can sleep earlier, but due to work, sometimes I need to sleep late. So, just to get shit done. So, yeah, maybe I will see if I can record during the 31st, okay? Because I should have some time there, or because it's going to be some fucking firecrackers outside. Yeah, maybe I not be able to do that. Maybe January 1st, or maybe around so, or maybe late at night. I will see, guys. I will see, but just understand that I don't live from YouTube. I don't live off YouTube, so this is a secondary thing that I like to do, and you can expect more content in the channel, but it's not something that has my all my attention. If you add comments asking stuff, I will try to get those as soon as I can. So yeah, just bear with me, guys. And this is just a place where you can come, check some code with the latest best practices, and move on if you want, or stay for new content. So, but the new content isn't going to be every week as we used to have. Okay, I used to upload every week a series of maybe 6, 7 videos, but right now it's just that sometimes I don't feel like coding after all the work I have to do. So let's take this next year a little bit more chill, more friendly, more casual, and I will keep adding good stuff that I see. I just saw two authentication stuff that I wanted to check. So I want to bring you guys the best stuff. So I don't want to bring freaking to-do list and all that crap. I want to work also with 3D, and I have 3AS stuff that I have still pending from the channel. It's already done. It only needs to be recorded. So I have a ton of stuff. Some Firebase custom tokens that I saw that people were asking in Upwork. So yeah, guys, let's bear with me, and maybe we will have the first 2 or 3 chapters of this stuff, this Node.js, and around the 5th. This is in Spanish, okay? So January 5th, maybe around so. But if not, at least I will try to get the first video where we set up most of the stuff, okay? So thank you, guys. This is all for this video, and see you in the next one.